the latest collection of beautiful garden fences design ideas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Explore the enchanting world of garden fences with our latest collection of beautiful garden fences design ideas. Whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance, enhance privacy, or create a cozy atmosphere in your outdoor space, our curated designs are sure to inspire your next garden project. In this video, we showcase a variety of stunning garden fence ideas that blend functionality with creativity. From classic wooden fences adorned with climbing vines to modern metal designs that exude contemporary charm, there's something for every style and preference. 1. Discover innovative ways to transform your garden boundaries into works of art. 2. Gain insights into choosing the right materials and colors to complement your landscape. 3. Learn practical tips for maintaining the beauty and durability of your garden fence. 4. Find inspiration for incorporating decorative elements such as lights, planters, and trellises. Join us on this visual journey and let your imagination flourish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting garden and home decor ideas. Turn your garden into a sanctuary of beauty and serenity with our beautiful garden fences design ideas collection. Happy gardening!